Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on GMC Acadia Easy Guide. Start by safely parking, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 1 minute to clear module states. Then reconnect and scan for codes, noting ABS and traction control entries. Follow code-specific checks, beginning with wheel speed sensors, wiring, and connectors, before testing drive to confirm the issue is resolved. In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on GMC Acadia Easy Guide. Next, gently lift the vehicle and remove wheel well covers to access each wheel speed sensor, cleaning any metal shavings or grease. Use a multimeter to measure resistance and compare to spec, then wiggle the harness while watching live data for dropouts. Replace any sensor or connector that shows erratic readings before moving to steering angle checks. In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on GMC Acadia Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean, voice control, and adaptive mapping save time so you can focus on repairs. It's a handy companion when you're under the hood and need a tidy garage, and it makes cleanup effortless after a messy job. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on GMC Acadia Easy Guide. Focus on the ABS control module area for signs of moisture, corrosion, or melting, and inspect the main ground and power connectors for tightness. Test fuses and relays in the underhood fuse box, and monitor battery voltage during cranking and idle to ensure it stays above recommended thresholds. Repair corroded grounds and secure connectors before clearing codes and retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.